Hi viewers, it's a pleasure meeting you and I hope you all are watching all my programs and you will be enjoying if you really watch all the dishes that I am doing. Now I am going to show you date pistachio honey cake. It's going to be something different, so we will see how it's going to be like. To make the date pistachio honey cake, we first put the sugar into the bowl. Secondly, I use the butter which is just taken straight from the fridge. Now I start beating the cake. Actually, I have taken 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of butter. Slowly, we are going to add 2 eggs, one by one we will add. Now what I am going to do is, I have taken the flour, that's about 125 grams. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Pinch of bicarbonate of soda. A bit of salt. Now what we will do is, we are going to sift it together. Mix it once. So I am using a dessert spoon of oil, 2 dessert spoons of honey. Just mix it slightly. Now we will beat again like. Increase the speed and beat it well. I have taken the dates, seeded. We remove the seeds, nicely mix it, cut it into pieces and add. So if you don't like dates, you can use sultanas. Now I am using about 60 grams of dates. So instead of 60 grams of dates, you can use 60 grams of sultanas. I am using both, but if you don't like dates, use only sultanas, okay? And my pistachio into it. That is also about 60 grams. If you feel that it is too much, you can add a little cashew nuts also. Now what I will do is, I will mix it nicely. Now after adding all this, no beating after that. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. That also I used. Now I have taken the tray, say roughly about, for this quantity I have taken about 6.5, 7-inch tray. Oil, butter it. Nicely butter the tray. Now we are going to bake for 40 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake and take it. So we will do the baking now. Now you can see how the cake is baked. And now I am going to do the icing. Now we are going to use the icing sugar. 1 dessert spoon I put, 2 dessert spoon, 3 dessert spoon. I have just put about 3 dessert spoon into the whipping cream. That is, whipping cream is roughly about 1.5 cups. Just cream it, that's all. And I need a little vanilla essence. Now my cake is ready, so we will ice the cake now. I need my palette knife, mix it nicely. I am going to make quickly another icing to go through that. I will use a little milk. Now I am boiling a dessert spoon of milk, fresh milk only I have taken, so we will boil that. Meanwhile, 4 dessert spoons of icing sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of butter. Little by little, we don't know how much we need, so I am using a little milk first. And now it is a little 5, 6, 7, 8 spoons I have put. I'm going to color this now and put a little essence also. I will put the essence. I need a little brown coloring. Any color you like you can use, but I thought I will use the brown. So I'll use 1 or 2 drops of red coloring also, so that it gives a better brown. If you are an artist, you can decorate nicely with whatever you feel like. Taking a little pistachio, which I kept it carefully. I'm using that in the middle. A little bit of cherries to make it more brighter and colorful. And of course, you will want to eat this. Of course, I hope you will enjoy this type of preparation. Hope you will enjoy this type of preparation. Try it out and see. How does this cake look? This is date pistachio honey cake. I hope you will enjoy. Prepare this and see how it comes, because this type of cakes you will enjoy. And when I make a cake, you like it, no? So you too will try it out and say how it is, whether you like it, whether it's nice and tasty. All that I want your comments. So please comment on this, because I'm going to do another preparation very soon, next week, for you to see. Till then, bye from me now.